My Lord, I can confirm that the two statements were commissioned by me.
Ngiyavuma ke ukuthi lama statement eyi-2 imbili mina ke umuntu owabeka istamp zona.
I confirm that you so when you commissioned the statement and to the satisfaction of the deponent about the truthfulness of the contents of the statement, you were also an investigating officer in this case. Are you telling me that what is in that statement, both statement, was not discussed to you with Brigadier Gininda?
My Lord, as I have said that I am part of the investigation team, but I do not know everything because Brigadier Gininda, there are things which he tasks other members. So I won't be in the position to say this is what and what, my Lord. I cannot assist the court. I think maybe you can take these questions up with Brigadier Gininda.
Bengishilo ke noma ngivumeleke ukuthi yebo noma ngiyona ke ingxenye yethimba eliphenyayo ke kodwa ke bengasukuthi bengazi konke noma ngazi yonke into kukhona la uBrigadier Gininda ebebiza ke abanye ukuthi kube yibona ke benza imisebenzi ethize mhlambe ke imibuzo lena ungayibuza yena uBrigadier Gininda.
No, it's fine. I'll ask him. He's coming to testify. And it's not new to you today that there was the 6th person in terms of the statement by Brigadier Gininda, the second statement. It's not the first time to hear that Kelly Khumalo was also implicated.
My Lord, as I'm mentioning that the content of this statement, my Lord, it is only Brigadier Gininda who can account to what he has put in the statement.
Kodwa manje ke namuhla ke khona la enkantolo akusona ke into entsha noma into ongayazi ke ukuthi wayekhona ke umsolo wesithupha ekuyena ke uKelly Khumalo okubhaliwe kusona le statement noma okukhona ke lana uBrigadier Gininda umuntu ke owaziyo ukuthi yini ela ebhalwe khona la.
Okay. I know everyone will shift everything that he cannot account to Brigadier Gininda as the lead investigator. But being the investigator in this case under 636, I'm confident enough to say, to tell this court that the evidence, or the investigation that you conducted, all of you, I mention all of you in a plural, to say it's far from the truth. I'll put the truth before this court on record so that I'll be able to support it.
My Lord, I still say if it was far from the truth, my Lord, we wouldn't be here.
Ngisasho ke namanje ukuthi uma ke uphenyo esalenza ke kwangasilona ke iqiniso noma kuyinto kude neqiniso ngabe asikho la.
The people that were reported immediately after the incident, after the shooting of Senzo Meyiwa, was the family of Senzo Meyiwa, which family you did not take any statement or interview them.
Abantu ke boqala ke lana ke kwaba yibona ke abamenyezi noma babizwa ke noma ekwathiwa ke bayambandakanyeka ke umndeni wakhe uMeyiwa bantu labo ke eningakaze ukuthi nihambe ke niyokhulumisana nabo.
First, oh sorry, comment.
I still push it to Brigadier Gininda, my Lord, to say. according to me, he has never instructed me to go and take a step or to obtain a statement from the Senzomiwa family.
Ngisakudlulisela ke kuyena uBrigadier Ginyenda nalokho ukuthi akakazeke angithume noma angiceleke ukuthi angihambe ngiye kumndeni kaSenzomiwa ngiyothola khona ke istatement kubona.
Neither himself, he told that he's going to take statements from the family of Mayo. He did not do that. Even Brigadier Ginyenda did not do it.
My Lord, as I said, that Brigadier does not account to me. If he chooses to do something, my Lord, sometimes he will brief us and sometimes he will not brief us.
Bese ngishilo ke ngaphambilini ukuthi ke uBrigadier Ginyenda akusena ke umuntu oreporta kumina ke ngenye inkathi yebuzohlala nathi phansi asibriefeke noma asitshele ukuthi kwenzekani ngenye inkathi angakwenzi lokho.
All right. Ma'am. Immediately after Senzo was shot, there were reports, first reports that were made to the Senzo Meyiwa family. It was a report made by Kelly Kumalo to Mandisa Mkhize. Do you know about that?
No, I don't know, my Lord.
Angazi ngombiko owenziwa uKelly Khumalo ewenza kuKelly ewenza kuMandisa Mkhize emuva nje kokuthi uSenzo edutshuliwe.
There was a first report that was made by Madlala, I think it's Tumelo Madlala, to Mr. Hlophe, the brother-in-law of Senzo Meyiwa. Do you know about that?
Mr. Tumelo Madlala, refute my recollection of the evidence is that Mr. Madlala specifically denied that he ever spoke to Mr. Hlophe.
Madlala gave evidence to that effect, I recall.
I beg your pardon, ma'am.
He didn't know who shot the deceased, Senzo. He didn't even know about the conspiracy, according to him, Madlala, when he was giving evidence.
Yes, I mean, that evidence, I know it was swayed in any way for him to tell lies before this court.
I don't know.
That's the reason why I'll be calling Hlophe to testify.
Yeah, fine, no
Yes.
problem.
Tumelo Madlala told Mr. Hlophe straight, told him that the boyfriend of Zandi is the one who shot Senzo.
Please, my lord, there is no such evidence.
Hey.
You cannot put something that is incorrect to a witness to comment.
Yeah, but apparently Mr. Gomezulu says he's got a sworn statement to that effect.
Yes. I'm not relying on the evidence of the state. I'm relying on the defense witnesses that are called to rebut the evidence of the state.
But he's attributing this evidence to Mr. Tumelo Madlala. And if he can perhaps demonstrate in the record where Mr. Tumelo Madlala said that there is the way of conducting cross-examination. You say, this witness said this on this record, what is your comment? We submit that.
Hlophe hasn't given evidence yet.
Yes, but Mr. Tumelo Madlala didn't say what is being attributed to him.
Okay, all right. Yes, Mr. Gomezulu.
As the investigating officer in this case, I'm going to bring evidence of Mr. Hlophe, who will tell this court that he received a call from Tumelo Madlala. And I'm saying, I'll repeat it if you want me to say it, I did not say Tumelo said this. I said Mr. Hlophe will come and say this. Do you understand?
I understand.
Ngiyakuzwa ke uma uthi awukazusho ukuthi uTumelo owathi owasho lokhu kodwa ngithi uHlophe owathi ke wathola ucingo olubuya kuyena ke uTumelo ukuthi ke uTumelo wamtshela lokho amtshela khona ukuthi kwaku boyfriend yakhe ke uZandile eyadubula uMeyiwa.
Having read the statements which I said I'm going to cross-examine you on. What is gathered on this statement shows that the person who shot Senzo Meyiwa on that evening was Longwe Twala.
As a court, please, my lord. I think we've been through this. We submit that the only way, my lord, is for my learned friend to call those witnesses, but those propositions cannot be made to the witness when Mr. Madlala denied that he ever spoke to Mr. Hlophe. One cannot put that proposition as a truth to the witness.
My lord, in reply, I would say this is contained in the defense case. It's not contained in the state case.
What is contained in the defense case?
It's what I'm putting to this witness.
That
Longwe Twala is the one who shot Senzo Meyiwa.
Oh, which witness testified to that? Which witness testified to that?
I'm going to call that witness.
Oh, I see.
I must put it to this investigating officer
But
so
you are
that I
saying
place it on record.
Yeah, fine. No. But you are saying it is in the defense case. And this defense case, which I've listened to for 6-8 months, there's no allegation like that.
My lord, I came on record on a trial within a trial.
Yeah.
I went to the records
Yeah,
during
fine.
Easter holidays. What I've gathered is the information that will be sufficient for me to proceed with the trial, with the main trial.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
All what I have, the state might not have.
Is
For
that so?
instance, it's evidence before this court that this witness did not interview the family of Meyiwa.
Okay.
Moreover, I am still going to the Section 205s that were taken from the members, from those people that were inside the house. Yes.
Fine. No, you can go on.
Thank you, my lord. The person who killed Senzo Meyiwa is not here amongst these 5.
Umuntu owabulala uSenzo Meyiwa akekho kulaba abahlanu abala.
According, my lord, to the state evidence, my lord, the people who killed Senzo Meyiwa, they are in this court.
Ngokubufakazi ke obukhona ke kulona icala lombuso abantu ababulala uSenzo Meyiwa bakhona kule nkantolo.
Let me put this to you, ma'am. I'll refer to the evidence that was said prior to trial within a trial. There were witnesses that said there were 3 shots that were fired. Do you know about that? Or do you have anything to say about that? There were 3 shots that were fired. I want to place it on record so that when I bring my witnesses, it is placed on record to the investigating officer. You are not an independent witness here. You are an investigating officer. There were 3 shots that were fired in that house.
My lord, as far as I can recall now, I think there are other witnesses, my lord, who mentioned in their statement that they had 2 shots, others said 3.
Yes.
So right now I'm not sure unless we can maybe draw those statements so that you can be sure.
Kule ndawo engimikuyona ke njengoba ummeli ethi ke sinofakazi ke abashilo kule nkantolo ukuthi ke isibhamu saqhuma kathathu. La engimikhona ke ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona ofakazi abathi isibhamu saqhuma kabili kunabanye abathi saqhuma kathathu. Ngafanele ke manje siyobheka ke lezo statement lezo.
Thank you.
Liyaqhubeka icala enkantolo enkulu yasePretoria.